What is functional nutrition? Functional nutrition is a science-based knowledge, nutritional knowledge, that is connecting body as a whole and is looking at you as a whole. We talking about body, about the mind, about emotions, about your heart, and how everything what I've just mentioned is affecting your health and well-being. How all what I said is affecting your sleep, your digestion, your nervous system, your immunity. The whole program is divided into 3 phases. We're building your foundation, we're digging deeper to understanding more what is happening inside our body. We're talking here about hormones, about the blood sugar regulations, about the insulin, about the stress. And then we are moving to something what I called lasting transformation. Because I really want that once forever you forget about dieting and calorie counting. Yes, there is reason for it, and I will explain you the place and why you may want to do this for a short period of time. But I would like that you think of the nutrition as a nourishment, as something that gives you pleasure and joy to be with, to eat with, and to be around. I'm really excited because I do believe nutritional journey with me will completely 360-degree change the way you are thinking about health and about anything that is related to your health, but also is going to, in a huge way, impact your goal and end results. Thank you very much.